You see people going viral every single day, right? And you're probably wondering, how can I get a piece of that action? Well, the secret isn't just having great ideas anymore. It's all about speed and consistency. And today, we're going to dive into how AI is completely changing the game for video creators.
You know the feeling. If you're a creator, you are constantly trying to keep up. The pressure to film and edit and write scripts and then post high-quality videos every single day, it's just relentless. It can feel totally impossible to keep up, let alone get ahead. But what if you could just change that entire equation?
Okay, hold on. Let's just pause on that for a second. That is a real quote from a creator using this exact method. We're talking over 20 videos every single day. That isn't just keeping up, that is lapping the competition. And the crazy part is, this tool is available for anyone to use, like right now.
So forget all that complex software. Forget spending hours and hours on a single 30-second clip. I'm going to walk you through the simple but super powerful process you can use to do the exact same thing.
So it all starts at this website, ai.invideo.io. The entire, and I mean the entire video creation process has been boiled down to just 3 incredibly simple steps. It's really designed for anyone, whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro who's just looking to scale things way up.
So here's how it breaks down. You start with a simple idea. That's your prompt. Then you tell the AI what kind of vibe you're going for, the style. And finally, you click one button. That's really it. That's the whole creation process.
And listen, when we say a simple prompt, we really mean it. The example from the source video is literally craziest facts about bats. You don't have to write a full script or go hunting for your own footage. You just give the AI a topic, like a little spark of an idea, and you let it do all the heavy lifting.
And check out the control you get in step 2. You're not just getting some generic cookie-cutter video. Nope. You can tell the AI exactly who you're talking to, your target audience, the look and feel you want, and you can even format it perfectly for platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok right from the get-go.
After you click Generate, well, that's where the magic happens. The AI isn't just handing you a template. It is writing a script, it's finding relevant stock footage, it's generating a voiceover, and it's piecing it all together into a full-on, ready-to-watch video. It's kind of like having an entire production team just waiting for your command.
But what if you want to make a change? This is where the whole thing becomes truly revolutionary. You don't need a complicated timeline editor or confusing software. You just talk to the AI.
This slide really shows the massive difference. I mean, the old way meant a super steep learning curve and all these complex tools. The new way, if you can write a sentence, you can edit a video. This completely removes the single biggest barrier for so many aspiring creators out there.
This is the core idea right here. Prompt-based editing. You simply type what you want changed. So, for example, you could type, "Make the voiceover more energetic," or maybe replace the first clip with a shot of a city at night. It is so intuitive and just unbelievably powerful.
And the flexibility here is just astounding. You can change pretty much any element of the video with a simple text command. You can tweak the script, swap out the visuals, or even change the entire voiceover. The point is, you are always in full creative control. Okay, so you've generated the video, you've made all your edits just by typing. Now for the final step, getting it out into the world. And honestly, this might just be the most impressive part of all. Less than 5 minutes from the moment you click that final export button to having a finished video file ready to upload, it takes under 5 minutes. Just let that sink in for a second.
This completely changes everything. The entire process, from just an idea to a polished, publish-ready video, can be done in the time it takes for a coffee break. This kind of speed lets you test out way more ideas, find what your audience actually loves faster, and lets you focus your energy on strategy, not just endless production.
So this leaves us with one final, and I think very important question. When all the technical barriers are just gone, when the time commitment is slashed to basically nothing, and when your only real limit is your own imagination, what stories are you going to tell? What ideas will you share with the world?
If you want to dive even deeper and get the full guide on this technology, just follow and comment AI down below. Thanks for watching.